Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today I will share the top 12 candlesticks. Why it is called candlesticks? The answer, it is shape of vertical rectangle with a small wick on the top and the bottom. All the shapes have a great significance, of course. The use of this valuable visual tool is traced to Japan in the 17th century. The Dojima rice eggs hang in Osaka traded mainly in rice during that period, and the use of the future contracts become necessary. The basic candlestick. Candlestick charting combines all the needed features of daily stock movement, opening and closing, breadth of the day trading, upward and downward price movement, and high, low prices reached during the day. This is achieved through a combination of shape and color. At the same time, candlesticks are easy to understand, and I'm sharing the pattern of each candlestick one by one. So let's see. First is bullish engulfing. This is the type of reversal, and while the market sentiment is bearish, we see some subsided selling reflected by the short black real body of the first day. Next day shows bull strength with closing price at or above the previous day's open. It means that the downtrend is now losing momentum and the bull started to take the lead. This pattern recognized in market by downtrend. Then we see a small black body. Next day we see a white body that completely engulfs the black real body of the preceding day. So next one is piercing line. The market moves down in a downtrend. The first black real body reinforces this view. The next day the market opens lower via gap. Everything now goes as bear want it. However, suddenly the market surges toward the close, leading the prices to close sharply above the previous day close. Now the bears are losing their confidence and revealing their short position. The potential buyers start thinking that new lows may not hold and perhaps it is time to take long positions. This pattern recognized in market, this is characterized by downtrend. We see a long black candlestick. Then we see long white candlestick, those opening prices below the previous day's low on a second day. The second day's close is contained within the first day body and it is also above the midpoint of the first day's body. The second day, however, failed to close above the body of the first day. Bullish piercing line pattern is a bottom reversal pattern. A long black candlestick is followed by gap lower during the next day while the market is in downtrend. The day ends up as a strong white candlestick which closes more than halfway into the prior black candlestick's real body. Third pattern, bullish Harami. Bullish Harami pattern is characterized by a small white real body contained within a prior relatively long black real body. Harami is an old Japanese word for a pregnant. The long black candlestick is the mother and the small candlestick is the baby. The bullish Harami pattern is a sign of disparity about the market's health, while the market characterized by downtrend and bearish mood. There is heavy selling reflected by a long black real body. However, it is followed by a small white body in the next day. This may be signal a trend reversal since the second day's small real body shows that the bearish power is diminishing. Fourth candlestick is bullish hammer. This is the type of reverse. The bullish hammer pattern is a significant candlestick that occurs at the bottom of a trend or during a down trade, and it is called a hammer since it is hammering out a bottom. The bullish hammer pattern is a single candlestick pattern and it has a strong similarity to the bullish dragonfly doji pattern. In the case of bullish dragonfly doji pattern, the opening and closing prices are identical, whereas the bullish hammer pattern has a small real body at the upper end of the trading range. The overall direction of the market is bearish, characterized by a downtrend. Then the market opens with a sharp sell off, implying the continuation of the downtrend. However, the prices suddenly turn upwards. The sell off is quickly abated and bullish sentiment continues during the day with a closing price at or near to its high for the day, which causes the long lower shadow. Apparently, the market fails to continue in the selling side. This observation reduces the previous bearish sentiment, causing the short traders to feel increasingly uneasier with their bearish positions. The market is characterized by prevailing downtrend. Then we see small real body at the upper end of the trading range. Color of this body is not important. We would like to see the lower shadow at least twice as long as the real body. There is no upper shadow. Now we will see the fifth pattern of candlestick is bullish morning doji star. This is the type of reversal. This is also a three candlestick formation signaling a major bottom reversal. It is composed of a long black candlestick followed by a doji, which is characteristically gaps down to form a doji star. Then we have a third white candlestick whose closing is veiled into the first session's black real body. This is a meaningful bottom pattern. Black real body, while market is falling down, may suggest that the bears are in the command. Then a doji appears, showing the diminishing capacity of sellers to drive the market lower. Confirmation of bull ascendancy is the third day's strong white real body. An ideal bullish morning doji star pattern must have a gap before and after the middle line's real body. The second gap is rare, but lack of it does not take away from the power of this formation. The doji may be more than one, two, or even three. Doji gaps are not important. The reliability of this pattern is very high, but still a confirmation in the form of a white candlestick with a higher close or a gap up is suggested. Now we will see the sixth candlestick is bullish abandoned baby. The type is reversal. The bullish abandoned baby pattern is a very rare bottom reversal signal. It is composed of a doji star which gaps away, including shadows, from the prior and following day's candlesticks. We have a similar scenario that is valid for most of the 3-day star patterns. In a falling market, the market shows bearish strength first with a long black candlestick and opens with gap on the second day. The second day trading is within a small range and second day closes at or very near its open. This now suggests the potential for really showing that positions have changed. The signal of a trend reversal is given by the white third day and by well-defined upward gap. The important factor is the bullish abandoned baby pattern is a quite rare. The reliability of this pattern is very high, but still a confirmation in the form of white candlestick with a higher close or gap up is suggested. Seventh candlestick is bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing pattern is a large black real body which engulfs a small white real body in an uptrend. It not it need not engulf the shadows. The bearish engulfing pattern is an important top reversal signal. Market is in a bull mood, then we see diminished buying reflected by the short white real body. This then is followed by strong sell-off which leads to a close at or below the previous day's open. Apparently the uptrend has lost momentum and the bears may be gaining strength. We see a white candlestick in a first day. Then we see black candlestick that completely engulfs the real body of the first day. Now 7 candlestick is bearish dark cloud cover. Bearish dark cloud cover pattern is a 2 candlestick pattern signaling a top reversal after an uptrend or at times at the top of congregation band we see a strong white real body in the first day. The second day opens strongly above the previous day high. It is above the top of the upper shadow. However, market closes near the low of the day and well within the prior day's white body at the end of the day. Market goes up with uptrend, then we see strong white candlestick followed by a gap suggested that bulls retain the control. However, the rally does not continue. Market suddenly closes at or near the lows of the day. So the second day body moving well into the prior day's real body. Longs are shaken somehow and short sellers now have a benchmark to place a stop which is at a new high of the second day. Ninth candlestick is bearish shooting star. Bearish shooting star pattern suggests that prices may be approaching to the top. It looks like its name, a shooting star. The shooting star is a small real body characterized by long upper shadow which gaps away from the prior real body. The shooting star simply tells us that the market opened near its low, then prices strongly rallied up, and finally prices moved down to close near the opening price. In other words, the rally of the day was not sustained. And the important factor is bearish shooting star pattern is usually not a major reversal signal as is the evening star. The color of the real body is not important. An ideal shooting star has a real body which gaps away from the prior real body. Nonetheless, this gap is not always necessary. A confirmation on the third day is required to be sure that the uptrend has Reversed, the confirmation may be in the form of black candlestick, a large gap down, or lower close on the next trading day. 10th candlestick is bearish Harami. Bearish Harami pattern is a two candlestick pattern composed of a small black real body contained within a prior relatively long white real body. Harami is an old Japanese word for pregnant. The long white candlestick is a mother and the small candlestick is a baby. 11th is a bearish. This is major top reversal pattern formed by three candlesticks. The first candlestick is a long body. The second one is a small real body that may be white. It is characteristically marked with a gap in higher direction, thus forming a star. In fact, the first two candlesticks form a basic star pattern. Finally, we see the black candlestick with a closing price well within first session white real body. This pattern clearly shows that market now turned bearish. Last pattern is bearish abandoned baby. The bearish abandoned baby pattern is very rare top reversal signal. It is basically composed of doji star, which shows gaps including shadows from the prior and following sessions candlesticks. Most of the 3-day star patterns have a similar scenarios. In an uptrend, the market seems still strong, displaying a long white candlestick and opening with gap on the second day. The trading in a second day is within a small range and its closing price is equal or very near to its opening price. Now there is a sign of sell of potential with reversal of positions. The trend reversal is confirmed by the black candlestick on the third day. Downward gap also supports an reversal. Thank you. If you like this video or this information is useful to you, then subscribe channel.